In this story, we will see that how you can recover Gmail password without recovery email and phone number in just few easy steps. So there are 3 steps. So let's start with step 1. Firstly, from home page, you have to find Google Chrome. Here it is. If you keep tap on that, you will find here this I button or app info. You have to click on that and here you have to open permissions. And then you will see here in allowed section, you will find here location. You have to open it and click on don't allow. Don't allow anywhere and click back. Now in the second step, find Google. Keep pressing its icon and you will find here app info. You have to open it and open this permissions and don't allow this location permission, and that's it. These are the 2 steps. So let's dive into third and final step. Open Google and search for Gmail account recovery. Search it and in the first you will find here sport.google.com. You have to click on that and then you will get this window. Now if you forgot your password, you have to click on recover your Gmail account or Gmail. But if you forget the email address that you used to sign in, you can click on this follow these steps. If you scroll down, you will find here more options, but I forgot my password, so I will scroll upside and I will click on recover your Google account or Gmail, and then after clicking this you will find this account recovery. Here you can write your email or phone number. So I will write my email address and click on next. Then it will show you that enter your last password that you remember. If you remember, you can write here and click on next, but in my case I don't know my last password of Gmail, so I will click on try another way, and then it will show you that an email with verification code was sent to this mail that you linked with that account. So if you have access of this email that you attached, so you have to open that Gmail and there you will get a link to reset password of this main email ID. But even if you don't have this email address, you have to click on try another way. After clicking this, then it will show you this enter email, where you have to write any email where Google can send your verification code. So you have to write any email that you are currently using and click on next. After just clicking next, you will find this notification that an email with verification code was just sent to this email ID that you just gave to Google. Now you have to write code here. So after writing code, click on next and then you will get this notification. A sign-in link will send to your given Gmail ID in 48 hours. So Google will send sign-in link to your given Gmail ID. When you click on that, it will redirect you to your original Gmail ID where you can reset your password. So that's how you can recover Gmail password without recovery email and phone number in just few easy steps.